She's gonna do
Ready,
her trick.
Emma?
Well,
You made a Statue of Liberty disappear?
everybody zip their lip and watch
Lily,
her
no,
trip.
no, this isn't your trick. You have to come back here. Claire, sit down.
Brady, you
Mommy,
have to watch her.
Hey.
Lily, come over here.
Does anybody have a ring?
A
I
ring?
have one,
Oh. You have
but
one.
I need that back. That's my wedding ring.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
What are you looking at?
No, it's done. Emma, that's done. That's done.
You explain what you're doing.
Wait. Slow down. Remember, it's got to click.
Lily, sit down.
Do you want to sit on my lap?
No, sit.
It's okay.
Sit down.
Push the top.
Tell them what you're doing.
Hold on.
Technical difficulties.
I'll try.
There's an exact way it's got to go on there, I think.
Nobody watch. Nobody look.
We're not. We're not.
Oh, it's so breezy.
Oh,
Okay.
so pretty
This is the part where your assistant would dance in front of the audience or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Naked.
Distract.
Yeah.
Share your tripod.
Try again.
Okay. Now we got.
Remember? Hold on. Wait. Remember? Push it down.
Oh, it doesn't work still.
Can we break it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
Maybe we practiced it too many times. Let me see it again. Nobody look.
We're not looking.
Oh, look at that.
How's the weather?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Look at what?
Hey, Dad, do you want to see this?
No, you're.
You not want to sit on my lap? Oh, I want to go down.
I'll try to throw that wand.
Your mama feel that makes something.
Okay, everybody, here we go, man.
Intermission's
Remember
over.
what you gotta do?
What are we doing? Are you gonna
Explain
cut
what you're doing.
Explain what you're doing.
Let Claire sit down.
She's putting the sword through the box.
Ooh.
Magically.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. That was good.
That was so good, Emma. You're so magical.
Thank you.
You should